At Patrick BMW, we have an enthusiastic, knowledgeable staff ready to serve. Hundreds of new and quality pre-owned and certified vehicles to choose from. And to provide an even higher level of customer service, we now have a mobile application. Whether you're shopping for a new, used, or certified vehicle, you can find the right one in our inventory with ease. When your current vehicle is ready for service, you can schedule an appointment in just a few clicks. Quickly review us on Google, get in contact with our dealership, or call one of our BMW geniuses. When you're shopping for a new vehicle and you find the right one, save it as a favorite to find it again fast. Also in our app, you can quickly find our best deals in service, as well as our best deals in sales. BMW Connect offers many additional features, and you can easily access your account right in our app. We now have a mobile application that can be easily downloaded from your Apple or Google Play Store. Taking care of you every day, that's the Patrick Promise.